Okay, so Sadia, look at here. Do you usually read for leisure or for work purpose? Do you usually read for leisure or work purpose?
Actually, when I get free time, I like to read books. But when I can't manage my time for my studies, I don't like to read books.
Oh, you don't like to read books for study purpose. So then you, man, do you prefer reading books or watching films? Do you prefer reading books or watching
I
films?
prefer reading books because it's help our study and watching TV, not watching movie.
What do you watching TV? Do you
Watching
prefer
TV.
reading books or watching films?
I don't like watching films.
Oh, you don't like watching films? Oh, that's very good. So then you, what's the most popular sports in your country?
All kind of sports popular in our country, but football and cricket is very popular in my country.
Okay, that's very good. So thank you very much, everybody. And do you like reading, man?
Actually, reading is a very good thing, and but nowadays children and our generation doesn't like to read. So I'm also one of them, and I really don't enjoy to reading. But videos are also informative as well as the books are. So I prefer to
Watch
actually
videos,
watch videos
rather than reading newspaper or magazines. So what's your favorite kind of weather? What's your favorite kind of weather?
Actually, I like all kinds of weather. Especially, I like the rainy weather. I think that it is a romantic weather, and I love listen to the rain beating against window and the wind holding outside.
Okay, that's you like. Actually, you like rainy weather.
Yes.
So don't you like winter?
I like a little bit of winter.
Okay, that's very good. But winter food is very tasty. Is there? Does the weather affects people's life in your country?
Yes, actually, when it rains 2 or 3 days continuously, the roads are become muddy and it causes more problems to the general people.
Okay, that's very good. It's very harmful for the general people.
Yes.
Okay, that's very good. So Rahul, is there any types of weather you really don't like? Is there any type of weather?
Yes, I like. I don't like too much hot, and in winter I don't like too much cold because it's very harmful for person. Poor people cannot get jobs in this weather, and these are very troubling for us.
Okay, that's very good. So then next, ask the question, everybody.
Have you ever been to a concert before?
Have you ever been a concert before? Yes.
Never I have been one concert, but I wish future I joined a concert.
Okay, that's very good. Clap for everybody. হাফেজ, তোমরা যারা অনলাইন থেকে আমাদের সাথে যুক্ত হচ্ছ, আমাদের ভিডিওগুলো দেখছো, প্রত্যেককে আমাদের অফলাইন ক্যাম্পাসে স্বাগতম। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।